When you're in trouble and need help fast, seconds matter. If no one is nearby, 911 is busy, or you can't use your phone, what would you do? If you had a NIM ring, you'd only have to slide your thumb behind your hand and push a button. NIM is a ring with a panic button that allows you to send an emergency alert to friends, family, and emergency services when in need of help. Once activated, your contacts will receive an alert card showing your name, photo, and GPS location. The NIM ring even records audio on your phone as your emergency unfolds. There's also a built-in chat function and a map for response teams. By potentially saving lives, the NIM ring is smart technology at its best. Summertime means it's time for a pair of very cool sunglasses. This is the Zungle Panther, an innovative pair of shades that doubles as a Bluetooth device and triples as a pair of bone-conducting headphones. In other words, with the Panther, you're able to make phone calls hands-free, as well as listen to music from your phone. Because the Zungle Panther doesn't transmit sound like traditional headphones, your ears are free to hear the sounds in your environment as you jam to your favorite tunes. Just place the arms on your head and the sound magically appears. A jog dial controls audio volume, and a USB jack is neatly hidden in the frame. Zungle is now filling orders from its recent wildly successful crowdfunding campaigns. You probably wouldn't envision a pillow as a high-tech item until you see the Zeek Smart Pillow. Described as the Swiss Army knife of pillows, about the only thing Zeek won't do is make your bed. Zeek and its related smart app will play your favorite music or sounds through 8 speakers as you drift off, automatically turning off once you're asleep. If you begin snoring, Zeek will gently vibrate to get you to change positions. A mic also records any snoring, and motion sensors record your sleep movements for the app to use in analyzing how well you rest. When it's time to wake up, you won't be groggy. Zeek uses your natural sleep movements to wake you up at the ideal moment in your sleep cycle. Best of all, it's just as comfortable as other high-quality pillows. See you in the morning.